FTG PRO V7.7 Elite Edition. Full review script. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most feature-packed trading view indicators currently available, the FTG PRO version 7.7 Elite Edition. This indicator isn't designed to be just another buy and sell signal generator. Instead, it combines trend analysis, smart money concepts, advanced risk management, support and resistance zones, intermarket confirmation, and professional dashboards into one complete trading system. In this video, I'll explain every major feature, how it works, and where it can actually help traders make better decisions. Let's get started. First, let's talk about trend detection. At its core, FTG PRO uses an exponential moving average crossover system. Depending on your trading style, you can switch between scalp mode and swing mode. Scalp mode uses faster moving averages for short-term opportunities, while swing mode uses customizable EMA settings for longer-term market structure. Whenever the fast EMA crosses above the slow EMA, the indicator begins looking for a potential buy setup. When the fast EMA crosses below the slow EMA, it prepares for a possible sell setup. But unlike many indicators, signals are only confirmed after the candle closes. That means the indicator avoids repainting signals while the candle is still forming. This gives traders much more confidence because historical signals remain exactly where they originally appeared. Next comes one of the strongest parts of this indicator: smart money concepts. Professional traders know that price doesn't move randomly. Large institutions leave footprints in the market. FTG PRO attempts to identify these footprints automatically. The first feature is break of structure, commonly known as BOS. Whenever price breaks an important swing high or swing low, the indicator marks that structural change. Another important feature is change of character, or CHoCH. This often represents the first warning that a trend could be reversing. The indicator also detects liquidity sweeps. Liquidity sweeps happen when price briefly moves beyond obvious highs or lows to trigger stop losses before reversing direction. These areas are often where institutions collect liquidity before making larger moves. Another useful addition is impulsive candle detection. Large displacement candles are highlighted automatically whenever they exceed the ATR threshold, have strong body dominance, and higher than average volume. These candles often indicate aggressive institutional participation. Now let's move to risk management. This is where FTG PRO really separates itself from many standard indicators. Every signal includes a complete trade management system. Instead of placing random stop losses, the indicator calculates an ATR-based stop loss. This automatically adapts to current market volatility. Profit targets are measured using the R multiple model. The first target is 1 times risk. The second target is 2 times risk. The third target is 3 times risk. As price reaches each objective, the indicator marks TP1, TP2, and TP3 directly on the chart. If stop loss is hit, it clearly labels the losing trade. If the first target has already been reached before stop loss, the trade is still considered successful because partial profits were secured. Another impressive feature is the Trading View Style Position tool. Every trade displays a green profit zone and a red risk zone. As long as the trade remains open, these boxes continue extending across the chart. Once the trade closes, the drawings remain on the screen, creating a permanent trade history that traders can review later. This makes it much easier to analyze previous decisions and improve future performance. Support and resistance are another major component. Instead of drawing simple horizontal lines, FTG PRO creates dynamic support and resistance zones. These zones adjust using ATR calculations, making them much more realistic than thin price lines. The indicator also includes daily and weekly pivot points. Current active levels become highlighted whenever price approaches them. This gives traders another layer of confirmation before entering positions. Now let's examine the professional dashboards. One of the most impressive visual features is the main dashboard. It displays current trend direction, confidence score, market regime, trade information, and overall system status. The confidence meter calculates the probability of each signal using multiple technical factors. Higher confidence generally means stronger market confirmation. The statistics panel continuously tracks total trades, wins, losses, and overall win rate. This helps traders evaluate the indicator's historical performance directly on the chart. The interface also supports dark and light themes. Every dashboard can be repositioned anywhere on the screen, allowing traders to customize their workspace exactly how they prefer. Now let's discuss one of the newest features introduced in version 7.7, the Intermarket Dashboard. This tool compares gold against several important financial markets. These include the US dollar index, the US 10-year Treasury yield, crude oil, EUR/USD, and silver. Each asset is analyzed using higher time frame moving averages. The dashboard then determines whether those markets support or contradict the current gold trade. For example, if the dollar index is falling while gold is producing a bullish signal, that creates stronger confirmation. If Treasury yields are rising against a gold buy setup, traders may become more cautious. Instead of relying only on one chart, this dashboard provides a much broader market perspective. Finally, let's summarize everything. FTG Pro version 7.7 Elite Edition combines trend analysis, smart money concepts, ATR-based risk management, dynamic support and resistance zones, professional dashboards, trade statistics, higher time frame confirmation, intermarket analysis, and detailed trade visualization inside one TradingView indicator. It offers an impressive collection of professional trading tools within a single script. However, it's important to remember that no indicator can guarantee profitable trades. Successful trading still depends on discipline, patience, proper risk management, and understanding overall market conditions. Indicators should always support your analysis, never replace it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more professional Forex trading content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. 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 Once I get in and I put it in drive, ain't no more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the vibe, yeah. Miss all the shots that you don't take. You'll never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. You can't learn to fly anymore if you don't let go. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless.